It's 2024 and we've got self-driving cars, AI doing our homework, but your link in bio? Yeah, it's still looking like a MySpace page from 2007. What's up with that? Welcome back to another Beacons video. I'm Ivan, your trusty videographer and social media manager for the best company on the planet. Yep, I said it. Fight me. And today we're diving into everyone's absolute favorite tool, our magical, customizable link in bio. Now, the Beacons link in bio isn't just any old link in bio. It's like the Swiss Army knife of digital traffic tools. You can customize it, flex all kinds of cool features, and turn it into a traffic driving powerhouse that'll make your fans actually want to click and come back for more. So today, I'm hitting you with 5 game-changing design hacks to make your Beacons link in bio so unforgettable, even your grandma will want one. Here's what we'll cover. The 5 hacks that'll level up your link in bio, how to actually use them, and some real-life examples that slap. I am so pumped for this one, and I know you are too, so without further ado, let's make your link in bio as fire as your latest TikTok. Our first design hack is to add a logo. Yes, with Beacons, you can add a sick logo in your header. Make sure your fans know it's your page that they're clicking into. You give your fans instant brand recognition. Makes you look so professional, and it adds personality and style, and let's face it, it just looks sick. Once you have created a logo, simply go into your link in bio builder, hit the design tab, and right under the profile picture, you can click logo and upload your image there. Hint, we strongly recommend uploading one with a transparent background in a PNG format. Here are some examples. Our second design hack might seem like a no-brainer, but trust me, it's one of the most overlooked. Using a high-resolution image for your profile picture. Let's be real, most social media platforms shrink your profile pic down to this teeny tiny little circle, almost like saying, hey, your face? Yeah, not that important. But we're not about that. You are the main event here. So, flex that high-definition profile pic like the star you are and make sure it's crystal clear. So when people land on your page, you are front and center. Exactly where you belong. We recommend using a picture that is at least 600 by 600, but no more than 6 megabytes in size. This way, you have a crystal perfect picture that doesn't break your internet trying to load your page. Our third design hack uses one of my favorite tools in the platform, and that's content blocks. Don't get me wrong, regular links, they're great. Nothing wrong with them, I love them. But if you really want to flex your latest YouTube or TikTok video, your Instagram feed, or even your music, content blocks are where it's at. They put all your best stuff front and center for your fans so they can check out everything you've got without even leaving your page. Talk about convenience. Plus, let's be honest, it looks sick. And it is ridiculously easy to set up. Just hit add block, click content, pick your block of choice, drop in the link, and bam. Your content is on full display for the world to see. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikToker, or an artist, this is your chance to show off your content and get more views and listens on what matters most. Our fourth design hack is rather a little secret, and that is adding photos and GIFs and use them as clickable photos. Yeah, it's a whole new level of creativity. Our links block isn't just for basic links. It's packed with layouts and customization features to bring your page to life. You can add a photo or GIF to preview your links in style. Instead of the classic link block, you've got a slick image grid showing off your links in a way that pops and draws people in. Here's how to do it. Click into your links block, then click layouts, and choose image grid. Choose whatever aspect ratio works for you, the number of columns you want to display, and whether or not you want to show some text. Pro tip, throw on a filter overlay for that extra clarity boost. Suddenly, your link in bio goes from meh to wow. It's one of those underrated but total game-changing features. Give it a try and watch your clicks skyrocket. Alright y'all, it is time for the grand finale. Hack number 5. Segment your link in bio with some creative headers. A good link in bio isn't just pretty, it's organized. You want your audience to know exactly what to click on, or they're going to get lost. And that means fewer clicks, which nobody wants. Sure, you can use the built-in title options within each block. Or you can get a little spicy and break up your content with some custom photos and GIFs. Is it GIFs or GIFs? I still don't know. It's been like a year. Not only does this grab attention, but it also guides your fans right to the content they're looking for. Here's the move. Use programs like Canva or Photoshop to whip up a simple, or super eye-catching header image. Then just toss it into our photos block. Adjust the aspect ratio, tweak the scaling, and boom, you got yourself an organized, visually stunning page. It's simple, but it packs a punch, transforming your page while making it super easy to navigate. It's a win-win-win situation. Need ideas? Check out these 2 pages who are very creative. And that's a wrap. We've just covered 5 game-changing design hacks to take your Beacons link in bio from meh to meh-brable. Huh? Let's quickly recap. 1. Add a logo. It makes your page look professional and it just looks sick. 2. High-resolution profile pic, because your face deserves to be seen in HD, not in a pixelated mystery form. 3rd, content blocks. Putting your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and music front and center so your fans can't miss it. 4. Use photos and GIFs. Make your page pop with custom images and animations. And 5. Use custom headers. Be organized, be flashy, and show off your creative side. Remember, your link in bio is one of the most important pieces of real estate in your digital world. And with these simple but powerful tweaks, you're setting yourself up for more clicks, more engagement, and more growth. If you haven't already, go ahead and customize your Beacons page using these hacks and watch your link in bio turn into a traffic-driving, fan-impressing powerhouse. You're just a few tweaks away from a link that's unforgettable. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. Also, while you're at it, check out our other tools and apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, check out our other videos, and hit that subscribe button. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright, y'all. I'll see you next time.